expert panelists before me already talked about the security. There is no doubt that security is an important aspect, but one thing I would like to mention that security is never perfect, like Nenu Buddharaja said. Whatever we do, there is something, even the latest reports from the US, their entire database has been hacked by some country like China or anyone. So what kind of, even the country like US is not spared. Even the technologically, which is the most powerful country in the world, they are not able to, secure their data. What about the other countries? So the one thing is that, security is one aspect where how do you secure your things with the available technologies? And there, as Chair said, DAL and Path, there will be always a next step, next generation technologies, which is be more powerful, more, costly. So I don't know where the security things are going to end, whether you can say today that you are secure. And then again, the security coming with the privacy aspects, like in the Heisenberg principle of the physics, like mass and momentum can both be more secure. Can you measure both very accurately at the same time? Similarly, privacy and security cannot. One has to be at the cost of the others. If you are more securing, then your privacy will be out. And if you are opening it private or privacy is opening, then security will be at little risk. So, where to make a balance between the two in a country like India, in a private sector, in the public sector. So these are the huge challenges in the coming years when more and more technology is coming up. So I, as a CEO of the NIXI, National Internet Exchange of India, because we are running .in registry and the NIR, IP address allocation. Yesterday only the minister launched the National Internet Registry in the Vigyan Bhavan. So we are seeing that how we can secure our .in registry through the various technological means, the traditional technologies, and then the DNSSEC, which is the latest thing coming up in the security, and even the IP address where we are hosted in the MahaOnline in the Maharashtra. So we are seeing that that's the one aspect, but we should not be complacent about that we are secure, and we have to see more and more policies, procedures, the technologies. All these things should be completely innovative way how we can secure ourselves and our systems and our every critical internet infrastructures, and all these things one has to take a very holistic view, and with the coordinate with all agencies within the country and outside. Otherwise we will not be secure. That's what I want to say. Thank you.